Hello everyone. I am Priyanka Chaudhary and welcome to day 6 of our 21 days English speaking challenge. We have already discussed so many intriguing topics in my previous videos, and today we are going to get a bit more personal. Let's discuss the daily challenges that we face and, more importantly, how we overcome them. So let me just share with you some vocabulary and sentences associated with the topic first, and then I will start talking about my daily challenges and what I do to overcome them. Later it is gonna be your turn as we decided on the very first day. Remember, you have to speak on the topic for 5 minutes continuously, and you cannot take pause for so long. Just try to aim for speaking smoothly and comfortably. Do not at all worry about making mistakes and fumbling. And do not aim for speaking very advanced English. Try to make it simple and easy. Now let's get started. Let's begin with learning vocabulary related to daily challenges. Number 1. Time management. It is a process of planning and controlling how much time to spend on specific activities. For instance, good time management is essential to stay productive. Number 2. Procrastination. Procrastination. It is an action of delaying or postponing the tasks. For example, procrastination can make daily challenges even harder to overcome. Energy levels. The amount of physical and mental energy you have available to complete tasks. Maintaining high energy levels throughout the day can be challenging. Fourth, stress. A state of mental or emotional strain resulting from challenging circumstances. For example, managing stress is key to handling daily challenges effectively. Next one, motivation. The reason one has for acting or behaving in a particular way. For instance, staying motivated can be difficult when facing tough challenges. Sixth, prioritize. Prioritize. To arrange or deal with an order of importance. I need to prioritize my tasks to manage my day effectively. Seventh, overwhelm. Overwhelm. To feel sudden strong emotion, often in a way that makes it difficult to think clearly. For example, I often feel overwhelmed by the number of tasks I need to complete. Next one, resilience. Resilience. The capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. Building resilience helps in overcoming daily challenges. Ninth, mindset. The established set of attitudes held by someone. A positive mindset can turn challenges into opportunities. 10th, delegation. Delegation. The assignment of authority to another person to carry out specific activities. Example, delegation is important when you have too many tasks to handle alone. Let's learn some sentences related to daily challenges. One of my biggest daily challenges is managing my time effectively. I often struggle with procrastination, which makes my tasks pile up. Staying motivated throughout the day can be tough, especially when I'm feeling tired. I try to maintain high energy levels by taking short breaks during the day. When I feel overwhelmed, I take a moment to breathe and refocus. Stress can make daily challenges seem even more daunting, so I practice relaxation techniques. Prioritizing my tasks help me stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes I find it difficult to stay positive, but I remind myself that challenges are opportunities for growth. Building resilience has helped me bounce back from setbacks more quickly. Delegating tasks when possible has made a big difference in managing my workload. I have learned that it's okay to ask for help when I'm facing a difficult challenge. On days when I'm struggling, I focus on the small victories to keep myself motivated. Now I believe you are quite familiar with some vocabulary and sentences related to the topic, and you can now articulate your thoughts on the topic daily challenges really well. If you still have some doubts or some sort of issues with speaking on this topic, then don't worry. I'm going to demonstrate you how you can start and how you can speak on this topic very easily. So listen to me speaking about my daily challenges and how I overcome them, and then it is going to be your turn. So start introspecting about yourself, that what kind of difficulties, struggle or challenges you are facing on the everyday basis, and what are you doing to overcome all these challenges. Like everyone else, I also struggle, find so many difficulties and have daily challenges. And one of the biggest challenges is managing time. With so many responsibilities, from being a mom to creating content for my YouTube channel, there is always something that need my attention. I always keep thinking about my time and how am I managing it? What am I doing to do something productive in a day? And sometimes what happens, I plan a lot, but I'm not able to execute everything as I expected or as I planned. And then I feel really guilty that I could not do the things well as I wanted to do. So yes, time management is one of the challenge for me. Another challenge is managing my energy level. There are some days when I feel so drained, exhausted, and my energy is so low that I do not want to do anything. I just wanna take some relax. I just want to relax. And but especially especially after a busy morning with my son Vidur, and then I have to get some energy to work for my content and projects. So then this is also one of the challenges for me to manage my energy level. And of course, there is one more challenge of staying motivated, especially when the things don't go right as I planned or as I expected. There are some days when I feel like that I have really done a great job and I have executed this really well, and this content of mine is going to be completely awesome and I am going to get a lot of views on this content. And then when I do not get the things as I was expected, then it makes me feel really disheartened or demotivated. So yes, this is also another challenge that I face. So I here just talked about 3 challenges, that is time management, my energy level and staying motivated. So now let me share with you that what I do actually to overcome these challenges. In order to manage my time, what I do is I try my level best to finish doing all my work while Vidur is sleeping. So in the morning, before he is awake, I finish doing my work. And once he is awake, then I have to be with him all the time. I do not work on my phone or laptop before him all the time, just because he will be in the habit of doing the same, being with the phone. So that's the reason I avoid using phone and working on laptop before him most of the time. So I prefer using and working on my phone. Mostly I use my phone for doing all the work related to content creation, content creating work, or uploading video or editing video. I do most of my work on phone, and I do not want my son to see me working on phone all the time. So that's the reason I try to work when he is sleeping. So in the afternoon as well, when he goes to sleep, then I start shooting my videos, or sometimes edit and start writing, or I even read a book while he is sleeping. So I do a lot of other things once he goes to sleep. And the same thing when he sleeps at night. After that, I start planning for my content, and then I think of the topics and I start researching and a lot more other things. So this is how I manage my time. Now if I talk about maintaining my energy level, for this purpose I start taking a short break. I take a cup of tea or sometime a cup of coffee, so that I stay awake, because when I am trying to make my son wither sleep, sometimes I also go to sleep, and I do not want to sleep that time. I want to use that time period for doing something productive. So in that case, this is how I try to maintain my energy level, by taking short breaks, or sometimes I also go to sleep, because sleep is also necessary for a healthy mindset. So I just take a nap for some time, and then I set an alarm on my phone, and then I just get up and start working. And in order to stay motivated, what I do is I start talking to myself positively. I start reminding myself that, Priyanka, why did you start this channel? What was the motive? What do you want to achieve? And by answering all those questions, then I get some sort of motivation. I start thinking positively that no, I cannot just give up like this. I have decided something in my mind. I want to achieve that. All right, so for that you need to work harder. You just cannot give up easily. So positive self-talk helps me a lot to stay motivated and to stay on the track of providing you something unique and something worthy every day. So those are some of the challenges that I face and how I overcome them. Now I would love to hear from you. What challenges do you face in your daily life, and how do you deal with them? Do not forget to share your strategies. We never know what tips can be useful for whom. So do not think too much and start talking about this topic right now, just after watching this video. Thank you so much for joining me till the end. If you found this video somehow helpful, relatable, engaging, interesting, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends. I'll catch you in the next video with another topic for day 7. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep progressing. Bye-bye.